Welcome to Unskooler, India's most exclusive e-learning platform. This is Naziya Shaikh, your maths mentor. So today's our topic is circle. Very easy topic. You all know what is a circle. A circle is a plane curve consisting of all points having equal distance from a fixed point called circle. There are various objects around us which are in circular shape. The biscuit which you eat, the cookies which you eat, the bangles. These all are the examples of circles. So when I say circle, a specific figure comes to your mind, right? So circle is a plane curve, right? And this plane curve is made up of points. You all know that all the shapes, all the figures are made up of points. Here, the points on the circles are at equal distance from the fixed point. That fixed point is called as circle. So I am drawing here a fixed point and all the points on the circle are at equal distance from this fixed point. So this fixed point is called as center. Fine. And the points inside the circle or inside the boundary of the circle are called as interior points. So suppose I am naming the center as O. So point A, point B, point C are in the interior of the circle, right? The points on the circle, on the boundary of the circle are called as points on the circle, right? So point X, point Y, point Z are on the circle and point P, Q, point R are in the exterior of the circle because they are outside the boundary of the circle.